Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77s, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. So this video about how to do it with household items. Of course, you can do it with pressed air. You can do it just blowing it. You can do it using I don't know, cleaner items to clean the connector, but I suggest to use just an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So never use metal objects to clean the connector, because in this way you can damage your USB charging port, and I hope you will not do it. But using the toothbrush you can damage the USB charging port, so it's very difficult to do. So toothbrush, it's a really great tool. Sometimes masters are using normal toothbrush to clean USB ports too, because it's really great tool to clean the connector, and I hope you will try to do it with toothbrush and you will clean. So firstly, just insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. It's very easy to do. The brush is the best tool to clean the connector. Of course, sometimes we need to use a little more alcohol to clean the connector. But if you have the dirt, not the if you have the dust, or I don't know, micro paper pieces, for example, like me, so you can do it just using a toothbrush. But sometimes, of course, we need to use alcohol, isopropyl, and sticks. So in our case now we don't need to do it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.